In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely activate and open a chemical glow stick, especially if it's been sitting in your emergency kit for a few years. In the recent power outage preparedness video, we included glow sticks as a reliable source of emergency lighting. But thanks to some sharp-eyed viewers, we got a few great safety tips that are worth sharing in this quick follow-up. Let's get started. First off, big thanks to some of our viewers for pointing this out. One comment from November Foxtrot was, top tip for glow sticks, snap in the packet as older glow sticks can break and spew the liquid everywhere. Opening in the packet first means you don't throw a bunch of chemicals into your face. Rachel also provided a comment saying, please be aware those glow sticks have glass inside of them. That's the crack you hear breaking glass to mix the chemicals. So never let younger children cut them open. I thought that these were both great comments and a really good example of why the YouTube comment section is so cool, because it becomes a two-way conversation. So let's take a closer look at what's actually happening inside a glow stick. In that power outage preparedness video, my daughter activated the glow stick after removing it from the package, and then bending it to break the glass that's inside of the tube to activate it. Let's do a glow stick dissection. Inside every glow stick, there are two separate chemical components that are kept apart until you activate it. There's a small glass tube inside, basically a mini test tube, that holds hydrogen peroxide and a fluorescent dye. Surrounding that, in the outer plastic casing, is a solution of phenyl oxalate ester. When you bend the glow stick, you break that glass tube and the two liquids mix. The result is a chemical reaction that gives off light, which is great for a power outage kit because there's no batteries, there's no flame, it's just a glow. Plus the kids love it. Now this isn't something that's super dangerous, but if the plastic shell is old or brittle, breaking that glass could cause a leak, or maybe even a small cut if you're not careful. So I had to look it up, but glow sticks actually do have a shelf life, usually around 2 to 4 years if stored in a cool, dark place. After that, the plastic may start to degrade and become brittle. So if you live somewhere hot, or if you've had your kit in a car or garage, that shelf life could be shorter. So probably a good practice that we should all do with our glow sticks is to write the purchase date on the package and rotate them out every few years, just like we would with batteries or food or medical supplies. So here's the recommended method now for activating glow sticks, and that's to bend the glow stick while it's still inside the packaging. I've trained my daughter on how to do that properly now, and so she's ready to go for the next power outage. So you could shake it up and check that it glows through the wrapper before opening. This way, if there's a crack or a leak, the chemicals will stay contained in the pouch. This is a quick, simple precaution that could prevent a mess or worse, a splash in the eyes or skin. So thanks again for everyone who shared the tips in the comment section. This kind of info helps us all stay a little safer and more prepared. Please feel free to leave any kind of comments below in the comment section. And if you haven't seen that power outage preparedness video yet, I'll link it here along with the free downloadable checklist. So stay tuned for more emergency preparedness videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care.